I've always believed that relationships shape who we are. By next year, I will have been with my boyfriend for 3 years, and honestly, I've learned more about myself than I ever expected. We've gone through thick and thin, but somehow we always make up after every argument. If I hadn't met him when I did, I might still feel completely lost about what I want in a partner. It's funny how one person can bring out the best in you without even trying. Sometimes I wonder how things would have turned out if I had chosen to stay single, but I guess I'll never know. When it comes to friends, my circle is small. I used to go out every weekend, but I stopped doing that because it drained my energy. Now I only stop to meet people who truly matter. A few friends from college have drifted apart, and others have kept in touch occasionally. Still, I don't mind. Quality over quantity, right? Many people think I'm distant, but it's not that. I've just learned that trust has to be earned, not given blindly. If I were more open, I might have more friends now, but I also might have been hurt more often. As for acquaintances, they come and go. Social media makes it seem like everyone's close, but half those connections are built on convenience rather than real affection. By the time I turn 30, I will have realized who's truly worth keeping around. Relationships aren't about how often you talk, they're about how deeply you connect. Love and friendship aren't always smooth sailing, but as long as I keep my heart open and my boundaries clear, I think I'll be just fine.